I'm going to be showing you my dog's socks, and I need to take him up for a... Stop. Now, come here. What are you doing? Hi. It's my dog. Stop. Come on. Come on. Come on. So that's my dog. Okay. Come on. No socks. Stop. Come here. One of my chores to do, so. You know your leash is tied up into a. You wanna go inside? Yeah, let's go inside. It'd be a better idea. So yeah, that was my doggy. My dog. Bye.